moderate AC thickness, 5.5 inches, low base thickness, and a fine subgrade. One difference about this test section that we can note right offhand is that rather than have 2 lanes in each direction, it only has 1 right now. Therefore, that might change the traffic amount in terms of numbers of ESAL at this time, but I don't think it would kick it into the high category. I believe it would increase it by around 10% or so using the equation which we used in the past, and that would put it up to around 60 ESAL per year rather than 52, which is shown on the equation. Right up on top of the cut, we have a continuous approximately, I'd say 9-foot cut in here, and it's quite uniform as we go down the roadway, at least throughout the length of the test section. Now I'm going to back off on the zoom on this just to show the panorama of it. I thought this would be an interesting thing to see, just to see how everything's laid out here. Also, we get away from the traffic control vehicles. Okay, panning around counterclockwise, looking back towards the southeast. See, we're going downhill on this test section, around a 0.7% grade, -0.7, that is, in the direction we're traveling in. There's a little driveway there, and the center of that's about 210 feet upstream from the beginning of the test section. You see something there that which may look like a culvert, and there are several other of these things on down. What that is an outlet for a drainage blanket that they have. And so we didn't really concern ourselves with locating the section around that, since that pipe just extends it doesn't even make it to the underneath the pavement. It just goes under the shoulder at the furthest. Looking on down, you can see how we have the test section marked on down the length of it. Really changed countryside up in here. As we were driving north this morning from Birmingham, we were into some very hilly country north of there. But then we got into this rolling country. We're in the Tennessee River Valley. We crossed the Tennessee River just back in Florence, driving out here. Okay, I'm going to stop and go back over and show the drilling operation and see what's coming out of the hole, so we can confirm the thicknesses that we have there. Materials which came out of the hole, this is the base material right here. Granular base, everything that was selected to be. We'll try to check on the thicknesses after we get the hole cleared away. This over here is a sub-base. It shows the base being 5 inches thick and the sub-base being 5 inches also. Of course, we have some of the stone from the base mixed in with the sub-base there. What came out of the hole is a reddish brown, appears to be more of a silty clay than a sandy clay, and expected considering the area that we're in the Tennessee River Valley. Plasticity isn't real high. It does hold together. It is definitely a fine-grained material. Showing around 9 inches or so combined of asphalt concrete and the crushed stone base material. Now, let's see what the asphalt thickness is, just so I can show it on here. Go down to the bottom of the asphalt concrete layer, you can see it's around 5 inches there, which does keep it in the cell it was selected for. Total of around, in this particular drill hole, about 5 inches of asphalt concrete and 4 inches of the crushed stone base. The plans are indicating, translating the pounds per yard into inches, showing around 5.5 inches total of asphalt concrete on top of 5 inches of the crushed stone base on the 5-inch sub-base. It's very difficult to distinguish once you get down below the base layer in here between the various lifts, so we didn't really try to do that. Down the hole now, trying to show what it looks like that came out of here. There's some subgrade there. You can see how it's in lumps there.